Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are unboxing and reviewing these razor blades. If you guys are interested, you can find them in my video description. I'm not sure, I might use them for work. I might keep one for around the house. So they're really nice. So far, let's see, how does this work? So you twist this. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So that's how you can pull it out, by twisting that. And then you just slide it in. Just be very careful. You don't hurt yourself, cut yourself. See, how far does it go down in? Okay, like that. So you want to press it down in, press it against, and then turn this in until it's tight. Yep, and that's not going anywhere. And you get, this side is actually plastic. So this is a plastic razor blade. So if you don't want a metal one, you got a plastic one on that side. And it's pretty sharp. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty sharp blade. So let's see, is there an actual way that you need to put it on? And it just pops on like that. So, works pretty good. So this is supposed to be for your thumb, so you got that nice little groove in here, so when you're scraping, and then you can also have it underneath. Yeah, overall pretty nice. Looks like they supply you with plastic blades and also metal ones in here as well. Yeah, this is a nice kit. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna give it probably an 8 out of 10. Overall, it seems like it's gonna do really well. I will use it for a couple months and do an update video like I always do, and let you guys know if I have any problems with it. When I do product reviews, if I have a major issue with something, like as soon as I start using it, I'll update this video like ASAP, right away. So I won't let it go months and months. If it's a bad product, I'll make sure you guys know ahead of time, as soon as possible. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Links in my video description if you guys want these.